Welcome, good morning, lovelies. Welcome to Mickey and my crown. This is Hilda, your host. How's everybody doing? Excuse me. Welcome, new subscribers. If you're new, you should hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified for all the videos. Please hit the like and comments. Today we have the first part of Edging Almost for September. Okay, so when part is October, part is September. We have some fall items, or some, all of them practically. So we are going to start, okay, with 3 for this first part, and then we do the other 3 on the second part. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started with this one, the special drills. They have some beautiful special drills. Edging almost. This is a 30 by 40, by the way. It's a partial, but almost the whole thing is. You get the tool. I'm trying to fix the light over here. You get the basic tool. You get the drills, which we're gonna look at it. And here it is. It's a nice, beautiful bell. Good for a wedding gift. This. Here it is. It's a 30 by 40. Here it is. And yeah, I have 9 colors on 9 special drills. And it's beautiful. Take a look at this. All those details. This is nice for a wedding gift. Simple wedding gift. Wedding bell. That's beautiful. I like the shape. There's different shape. This star. It's a partial, but at the same time, part of the whole canvas is because you have the stars outside and inside that you drill. Let's take a look at those. It's only 9. Sorry about the crankling. Let's see. Here it is. There's a little bit of dust inside. These are white regular drill, but these are medium size. Rhinestone medium size. Oh, I like this blue. This is the faceted one. And then we got this big one. And all these ones. The red one, the teardrop with faceted and AB. And we got all those stars in purple. Oh, that's beautiful. I never see stars in purple. Only 9 colors on this one. And here it is one more time. Those big ones going here, those red ones. That is beautiful. I like the colors. Okay. Let's go to the next one. This one has 22 colors. It's a 30 by 40. Also comes with the toolkit. And this one comes kit up with these beautiful colors. You can see them. Oh, this is a 30 by 30 with 22 colors. Oh, this is nice. This is a sunflower. The glue is okay. Has some shimmer too. The canvas, and this is a sunflower coming out of the wall. It's 22 colors. It's letters only, and then there is a DMC code, and you get the scheme on both sides. You get the thumbnail. You have an idea of how it's gonna come out. And this is neat. This is appropriate for fall. Let's check some of these colors. Take a look at this. Beautiful colors. Beautiful fall colors. It's a 30 by 30 with a lot of colors on it. This is a 30 by 40. Toolkit. This is a round. Those are the, and take a look at this one, 30 by 40. It has 21 colors, all letters, and the DMC code. And this is a cutie one. Here it is. What a cute little dragon. I'm not into dragons or anything like that, but I do like this one. Here it is. The drill field is clear. Okay. Even in the dark areas, you can see those symbols. And there is no confusion. It's all letters, so there is no confusing the B with a letter with number 8. So you can see how clear they are. Let's take a look at the oops. Just a moment. Here they are. Okay. Here's a parade of colors. The fall colors start showing up. Very sparkly. And 21. So this is it for the first part of Edinomo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Hit the like and comment. Tell us which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.